If-elif-else example with the integer variable. Hi! In the previous video, we saw what an if-elif-else statement is and how we use it to check more conditions. Shall we see examples for the if-elif-else statement to learn more about how it works? Let us first see an example with the integer variable. Let me explain what we are going to check here. We have a set of students and we are going to give them lucky draw gifts. The gifts are a bicycle or a school bag. They are going to pick a number from the bowl. If the number is 1, they are given a bicycle. If the number is 2, they are given a school bag. If they pick any other number, they don't get any gift. So here we have 3 conditions and 3 actions. Here we cannot write an if-else because with an if-else we can check only 2 conditions. But we are going to use an if-elif-else statement because we have 3 conditions. Shall we try writing a code for this using an if-elif-else statement? Okay, let us go to Python and write the code. First, let us create an integer variable called number to store a number. Let us put the number as 4. So we write number is equal to 4. And now let us check our first condition. If the number is equal to 1. So we write if space number is equal to 1 colon. Now if this condition is true, then we have to tell Python to do some action, right? So here, if number is 1, what will the student get? They will get a bicycle. So we press enter and write print, open bracket, close bracket. And inside the bracket, write open single quotes and close single quotes. Inside the quotes, you're going to write you win a bicycle. Now press enter and delete the tab space. Let us check our second condition if the number is equal to 2. Here we are going to write elif because we can write only one if and we have already written that. So we write elif space number equal to 2 colon. Now if this condition is true, then we have to tell Python again to do some action. So here we are telling the student you're getting a school bag. So we press enter and write print open bracket close bracket and inside the brackets open a single quotes and close a single quotes and inside the quotes you're going to write you win a school bag. And if student picks any other number, then they don't get any gift. So we write it in else block. Now press enter and delete the tab space and write else colon and then press enter, write print, open the bracket, close the bracket and put single quotes inside the brackets and write you do not win a gift this time inside the quotes. Save the file and run the code. You do not win a gift this time is printed as output. Because the number is 4, the student does not get any gift. In this code, Python will check the first if block for the condition. The condition becomes false because number is not 1. It goes to the next elif block. Here, the condition is checked again if the number is 2 because the condition becomes false again. Python goes to the else block and prints the output, you do not win a gift this time. Correct. Here, you pick the number 4 and unfortunately, you did not get a gift. Shall we see what number your friend picks from the bowl? Oh, imagine it is 2. Let us change the value of the number to 2 now. Save the file and run the code. Wow, your friend wins a school bag. You win a school bag is printed as output. How? Python will check the first if block for the condition. The condition becomes false because the number is not 1. It goes to the next elif block. Here, the condition is checked again and the number is equal to 2. So, the output is printed as you win a school bag. I hope you enjoyed this video where we saw how the if-elif-else statement gave us different outputs when we change the values of number. See you all with another interesting video. Bye bye.